Hi, my name is Hamza Rafik. I'm the owner of Autos Mode, a clothing brand in Denmark. My GMC account got suspended and I took the services of Ali Raza. He reinstated my account within a few days, but in total it got suspended 3 more times. His team worked actively and hard to reinstate our account. They did the changes, whatever was required. The communication was clear. They kept communicating back and forth with us, even doing the changes on the website. Even late night, his team used to respond to us. They would give us all the instructions on what we should do and everything. They worked really hard on this, and in total, it was suspended 3 times. But within 7 days, our account was back inactive, and now it's running perfectly fine. They worked really hard on this, and I am very happy with the services that they provided. I would definitely recommend Ali Raza and his team. If you need any help with your GMC accounts, they are experts in this service, and I'm actually really happy with them.